Okay. Now I hope you're ready for part 2 of Oh Boy of my space PowerPoint. And we're going to start here because this is kind of a funny slide. Oh boy, another flying giraffe kicked me. The words you see at the top of the slide are the acrostic for the sizes of the stars. Don't get it? Go to the next slide. Then I have a picture of what we call an M star. So this is a chart for the star sizes. So we have the O stars. Those are the biggest kind of stars. Oh boy, another flying giraffe kicked me. O stars, B stars, A stars, F stars, G stars, K stars, and M stars. G stars is highlighted in a different color for a reason, because our sun is a G star. This chart is for North America season, so if I was in North America, which I actually am right now, but so for spring, if the sun was in the center and the earth was where the circle says spring, then it would be spring for North America. Same with summer, and well, you get the chart now. Pulsars, the chapter book. Okay, we're not going to go through the whole chapter book. I'm just going to read this to you. Chapter 1, the brother. The pulsar is the brother to the neutron star that we talked about earlier. They both send out kind of a beacon of light. Chapter 2, aliens. When pulsars were first discovered, the scientists thought that they were lighthouses for nearby planets and spaceships with aliens on them. Well, you know, lighthouses spin at the same beat as a pulsar, so it really counts. Over there! I was going to put an audio there, but I chose not to, because it's a lighthouse. Haha. Okay, here I credit Carl Sagan that did the Cosmos videos, because he was the one that created this fascinating calendar, and I just love it so much. So this is what he calls the cosmic calendar. So if this is if the universe could write, this is the calendar or the story of its life. The Big Bang happened on the first second of January 1st. So that's where it is right there. The forming of the Milky Way, not till May. And then other planets formed in June, July, August, and then it was not till September that the Earth and Sun were formed. November, life arose. They ended up first like squid-like creatures. So if I'm about to pause the video and I'm going to show you, I'm going to turn on my irrigated webcam, and I don't know if I can, but I hope I can. Yeah, I can turn on my irrigated webcam and you can see my trilobite. And there is a little creature inside there that was the first creature ever. So I'm going to pause the video a minute. Alright, so there it is. That's my trilobite. And see that little creature in there? That is the first creature that lived on planet Earth that we know. Kind of cool, right? So that happened somewhere in November. Alright, back we are now in December. The very last 10 seconds of December the 31st, humans arose. If each of these months, and this is actually how it is on the cosmic calendar, but each of these months is about 250 million years. Each second is about 500 of our years, and so that actually tells you how long that these actually were. And you can see that, look at that Big Bang thing way over there. Guys, we've finally come to an end for my power. Oh, actually, we haven't come to an end. The star life cycles. This is something that I really wanted to show you. These are the real big stars. Remember the O stars? So it starts out as a nebula, like the sun-sized stars over here. But it starts out as a nebula. Then it swells into an O star. Then it swells to a red supergiant at the end of its life. So that O star stage is about 250 million years. on the cosmic calendar, like a whole April or a whole June or whatever you want it to be. And then it'll swell to a red supergiant, and a red supergiant come out to Saturn. Then it'll squish into a neutron star. Then it will go into a black hole, and it will stay that way. We don't know how supermassive black holes form, but we think it might be from O stars just joining together, dead O stars just joining together. Then we have sun-sized stars. It starts out at a nebula too, then it goes into a G star, then it swells into a red giant after a 250,000,000 years, and then it will swell, and then it will collapse into a white dwarf forever. The end. So now we finally come to an end, guys, and I really am sad to say this, but we are done, and that is my space PowerPoint. I really hoped you like it because it took me a long time to put this space PowerPoint together.